स्मॉग बहुत ज़्यादा था, लेकिन फिर भी धीरे धीरे ड्राइव करके हम लोग टाइम पे पहुँच गए। ये तो रात से एक्साइटेड था, बहुत जल्दी जाना है, मुझे सबसे पहले पहुँचना है, और समझो मिड नाइट से इसको बहुत ज़्यादा जोश था आने के लिए।
It's a very good experience by way of knowledge. It's a high-tech quiz, so it's a great exposure for kids also. And my child was very excited to take part in this. And when he was selected third, actually it was a proud moment for me, and I just started crying. And now I'm happy. I'm proud of him that he reached this level. So, and this is a great exposure for all the kids. He reached till here is a great moment, because out of 4 lakh students, he reached till here. It's a great moment for me. I'm proud of him.
It is very interesting. In fact, when she started working on this issue, she got the CD. Then she, on her own, activated that, calling that toll-free number. So it was very interesting that kid like her, and very much they are taking active part in this kind of competitions. They are keenly interested, and it is very nice, very nice. We are very happy to be here, and this National Geographic channel, in this Icon Scientifica, they are doing really well for the searching the talents like this young generation, and we are really happy.
If he gets success over here, he gets an aim in his life. He can mark out his plannings and other things, what to do next.
Yeah, what I like about this thing is there is no pressure, there is no bookish knowledge that is required, and that what I believe is contributes to the overall growth of a kid.
Basically, I like the idea of this Icon Scientifica. It's very nice. It's a different way of other than academics, it's the other way of showing their inner what they have in their mind. So that is basically, it's nice. He's reached this level. I'm very happy about it. Very proud. Very excited. We have no expectations as such, but still hoping for the best. The first round when he got through, I didn't have the confidence. I said, "Come, Chal, let's go. Let's not wait for the results." Then he said, "No, we'll wait for the results. We'll see what's up." Finally, when he came second, I was very thrilled, very proud. So went back home. My mother-in-law was very thrilled. She garlanded him with the paper. She made a paper garland, and she was very excited. My daughter was also very excited.
ये जो आपने आइडिया निकाली वो इनोवेटिव आइडिया है, एक्सपोजर उससे बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है। एक तो बच्चों को जरा उसमें साइंटिफिकली कुछ ग्राउंड मिलेगा, ऐसा मुझे लगता है। और आपने जो शिस्तबद्ध कार्यक्रम किया हुआ है ये चैनल में, बहुत बढ़िया हुआ है, और हर एक जगह पर टाइम टू टाइम काम चल रहा है। सबसे बड़ी उपलब्धि ये है कि हर एक जो भी टाइम दिया है वो टाइम पे सब काम चल रहा है। कहीं पर जो भारतीय स्टाइल जो बोलते हैं वो नहीं हो रहा है। इट इज लुक एज अ लाइक एज ए इंटरनेशनल स्टाइल। इट्स गुड।
Just because of this type of event, we come to know that she is very good at science also. She is very creative in science also, because she is very good in a cultural activities like music and dancing. So this is the platform where students are going to get more and more ideas, creativities in a creative way. Other than the books, they are having definitely a general knowledge that what we are going to get over here. And once again, this is a venue, IIT Powai. We have never seen this IIT Powai just because of Gehna and this particular event. event, we are here. This is a very proud moment, and yes, definitely as a parent we are very excited, even very tense. Our children are not that much tense, but as a parent we are definitely very much excited. I would like to share one thing, that this is the field of science supposed to be. It should be even other field also. I mean, everyone will take the initiative for other field also. So each and everywhere the people are very brilliant. I mean, children are very brilliant. So we will get the more idea, and good creativity will be done in this country. Thank you very much.
We are from Indore, and we have come all the way to Bombay since our son got selected into the finals for ICANN Scientifica. It has been a fantastic experience for him and for us. It was a surprise when he got a call, and in fact he topped the city finals. So it was a very pleasant surprise. The best thing what I found about this was that a child is being recognized and appreciated for whatever he is good at. Not, I mean, it is basically apart from academics. So the best part is that if he is good at video games, or if he is good at creating things, or if he is good at logical reasoning, then he is being appreciated. This was an exam which was very, this test was not known to me. He himself filled in the form and took the check from me. And one fine day he came and said that I have topped the exams and I have to go to Bombay IIT. The kind of exposure this exam has given to the child is remarkable. They would probably be getting recognized and identified for all those things what they are good at apart from academics. Then a child getting an exposure for a competitive, all India level competitive exam at such a young age is something very important for him. He should be able to feel the pressure, and he should acquaint himself to be competing with the best of the students from India. So that is something very, very exciting and good about the exams.
Hi, I'm Tarini Sudhakar from Sanskar School, Jaipur. I'm here for the National Finals of ICANN Scientifica 2009. I like to participate in ICANN Scientifica because it's really interesting, and it focuses on the study which can be enjoyed by children. Like it turns study material into comics.
ये सोचते थे कि ये तो सिर्फ खेलता है और ज़्यादा पढ़ाई के लिए ज़्यादा कुछ करता नहीं. ऑफ कोर्स काफ़ी अच्छा मार्क्स सिक्योर किया, बट जैसे कि नॉर्मली बोलते हैं पेरेंट्स को ये होता है कि मेरा टॉप में जाए, ये जाए, बट नॉट दैट. 85 to 90% इज सिक्योरिंग. बट ऐसा नहीं लगता था कि ये इतना ज़्यादा कि खेलता ज़्यादा है, हमें ये लगता था. बट नाउ वी कम टू नो कि व्हाट इज द टैलेंट इन हिम.
It's a big time exposure for the students because this kind of competitions we generally don't tend to have in our schools. We do keep having competitions and quiz competitions, but this kind of innovative and creative competition is really good. It's a big time exposure for the children because they are meeting students from all different schools and they are seeing what is the competition level in and around complete India. So it's a very good exposure. It's a learning time for them. So we've come here with a spirit of learning first and then definitely winning too.
Big round of applause for them.